Three real thresholds decide whether your page passes or fails Google's own speed test. Let's read them correctly. Core Web Vitals are three specific, real measurements Google uses to judge how a page actually feels to use: LCP for real loading speed, CLS for real visual stability, and INP for real responsiveness. Google genuinely tests mobile and desktop separately, and mobile is usually the harder score that matters more. Page Speed Insights is a free, official tool that shows your exact real numbers, not an estimate. This real metric measures how long your biggest visible element, usually a hero image, actually takes to finish loading. This is Google's own real published threshold. Cross past 4 seconds and the page is scored genuinely poor. This real score measures how much your page visibly jumps around while it's loading. A common real cause is images with no set size. A real score above 0.25 means content is genuinely shifting enough that a visitor could tap the wrong thing by accident. This real metric measures how fast your page responds to an actual click or tap. It replaced first input delay in 2024. Past 500 milliseconds, a real click genuinely starts to feel unresponsive or broken to the person tapping it. The exact same real page can pass on desktop and fail on mobile. Google's real mobile test throttles both CPU and network. This free, official real tool from Google shows your site's actual current numbers, not a guess, a genuine measurement. Page Speed Insights shows both real field data from actual visitors and a real lab test run on one controlled connection. Next, the image mistakes that quietly slow down almost every real website.